This photograph shows a small rowing boat carrying several people across calm waters near a lighthouse. Before modern engines became common, boats like this were essential for transportation, fishing, and communication in coastal communities. The lighthouse guided sailors safely through dangerous waters. The image captures a quieter era when life depended heavily on waterways and manual labor. This powerful image reveals the cramped living conditions experienced by many immigrant families in early American cities. Entire families often shared a single room filled with beds, personal belongings, and basic furniture. Such overcrowded housing was common in working-class neighborhoods. Despite difficult circumstances, these families worked hard, hoping to build a better future for their children. Tourists gather beside the breathtaking Niagara Falls, one of North America's most famous natural wonders. The women's elegant dresses and hats reflect early 20th century fashion. Long before smartphones and social media, people traveled great distances to witness natural spectacles in person. This image captures both the beauty of the falls and the growing popularity of tourism. Few people realized the Statue of Liberty was assembled in sections before reaching New York Harbor. This rare image shows part of the statue surrounded by scaffolding during construction. Created in France and gifted to the United States, the monument became a global symbol of freedom and opportunity. Seeing it unfinished reminds us of the enormous effort behind its creation. This faded photograph offers a glimpse of a quiet American street from more than a century ago. Horse-drawn vehicles, wide roads, and simple buildings dominated daily life. Telephone poles were beginning to appear, connecting communities through new technologies. Images like this help us understand how rapidly American cities evolved from small towns into modern urban centers. Standing proudly before a lighthouse, this family likely played a role in maintaining one of the most important safety systems of the era. Lighthouse keepers and their families often lived in isolation, ensuring ships could navigate safely through storms and darkness. Their dedication protected countless sailors. This image highlights both family life and maritime history. This remarkable photograph shows an early rooftop garden, proving urban gardening is not a modern idea. Residents transformed unused rooftop space into a thriving oasis filled with flowers and plants. Such gardens provided beauty, fresh air, and relaxation amid crowded city environments. The image demonstrates creativity and the desire to connect with nature, even in dense urban areas. This illustration depicts a steep mountain railway carrying passengers and cargo through rugged terrain. Building railroads across challenging landscapes was one of the greatest engineering achievements of the 19th century. These railways opened remote regions to settlement, trade, and tourism. What once seemed impossible became reality through determination, innovation, and thousands of workers' efforts. A young couple sits beside an early radio and phonograph system, symbols of a communications revolution. For the first time, families could listen to music, news, and entertainment from distant places without leaving home. Radio transformed daily life and helped create a shared national culture. This image captures the excitement surrounding groundbreaking technology. This energetic photograph features a jazz ensemble performing during the genre's golden age. Jazz emerged from African American communities and became one of America's most influential cultural contributions. The musicians' passion and talent helped shape modern music worldwide. Their performances brought people together, broke cultural barriers, and introduced exciting new sounds that continue to inspire artists today. This image shows children studying inside a simple one-room schoolhouse, a common sight in rural America during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. A large wood-burning stove heated the room during cold winters. One teacher often taught students of different ages simultaneously. Despite limited resources, these schools played a vital role in educating generations of American children. This extraordinary structure was a giant elephant-shaped building, one of America's most unusual roadside attractions. Constructed in the 19th century, it served as a tourist attraction and observation point. Such novelty architecture drew visitors before the age of television and theme parks. The building reflected America's growing fascination with entertainment, entrepreneurship, and eye-catching designs. Workers are seen manufacturing wagon wheels in an industrial workshop. Before automobiles dominated transportation, wagons were essential for moving goods and people. Skilled laborers carefully shaped and assembled each wheel for strength and durability. This image captures a period when American industry relied heavily on craftsmanship, helping support agriculture, trade, and westward expansion across the country. This photograph captures a man using an early public telephone. At the time, telephones were transforming communication by allowing people to speak across long distances almost instantly. Public phone booths became common in cities, businesses, and transportation hubs. What seems ordinary today was once revolutionary technology that changed commerce, relationships, and the pace of daily life. Several workers rest on the floor near a fenced area, likely during a labor dispute or strike. Throughout American industrial history, workers fought for better wages, safer conditions, and reasonable working hours. Strikes often involved long periods of waiting and uncertainty. This image reflects the human side of labor movements that helped shape modern workplace protections. This peaceful photograph features a traditional covered bridge surrounded by trees. Covered bridges protected wooden structures from rain and snow, extending their lifespan. During the 19th century, thousands of such bridges connected rural communities across America. Today, many have disappeared, making surviving examples treasured landmarks that represent the nation's agricultural and transportation heritage. Thousands of people fill a broad street during what appears to be a major public celebration, fair, or community event. Large gatherings like this brought people together for entertainment, commerce, and social interaction. Before television and the internet, public events were important cultural experiences. The photograph demonstrates the scale and excitement of communal life in America. This striking portrait shows a woman confidently seated on horseback with a dog beside her. During the 19th century, horseback riding was both practical transportation and a popular recreational activity. The image highlights independence, outdoor life, and the strong bond between humans and animals. Such portraits were often treasured family keepsakes, documenting personal achievements and status. A large group of uniformed officials poses outside an administrative building. Group photographs like this were often taken to commemorate important milestones, organizational achievements, or official ceremonies. Uniforms symbolized professionalism, authority, and public service. The image offers a glimpse into the structure of civic institutions and the individuals responsible for maintaining public order and safety. This dramatic photograph appears to show people gathered on the roof of a flooded home while a boat assists nearby. Floods have long threatened communities situated near rivers and low-lying areas. In such disasters, boats often became essential rescue tools. The image captures both the destructive power of nature and the resilience of families facing extraordinary circumstances. If these images touched your heart, please subscribe and join us on this journey through the past.